Flash flood warning! Flash flood warning!
Flash flood warning. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a flash flood warning for west central Allegheny County in southwestern Pennsylvania, northwestern Washington County in southwestern Pennsylvania, south central Beaver County in western Pennsylvania, Brooke County in northern West Virginia, Hancock County in northern West Virginia, until 11:45 p.m. At 8:41 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 0.5 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Moon Township, Weirton, Coraopolis, Sewickley, Imperial, Frankfort Springs, Hanover Township, Raccoon Creek State Park, Pittsburgh International Airport, Inlow and North Fayette Township. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles.